Then the older man seemed to feel a little easier, took out his hand from his pocket, and quickly looked at the watch on his wrist. How much will you give me for this? The man wrote. This made the older man feel easy. Now he was feeling some relax. He felt relaxed now. He looked at his watch on his wrist and Mr. Ray Mr. Ray he could offer what price he could offer for that watch, that particular wristwatch. So Ray noticed a little shame in the grey eyes looking at him. The watch was nothing special and yet had great powers. Ray felt that the man was a little ashamed on him. मीन्स उसको थोड़ा सा बुरा लग रहा है, ऐसा उसने नोटिस किया यहाँ पे मिस्टर रे ने. द वॉच वॉज नॉट ऑफ ग्रेट वर्थ बट इट वॉज स्पेशल बिकॉज what was speciality, what speciality the particular watch has, that Ray could turn around a bad situation and came out of it safely because of that particular watch. That is the great powers that particular watch had. It was something to exchange a way out of a bad situation. Knowing that great need had brought the man to his shop in the first place, Ray asked, "How much do you need for it?" The reply came back on the notepad, "Whatever it's worth." Means understanding that man's need and helplessness, because of which he was into such a bad act, Ray asked him about his need. Ray asked him what was his need, and the man replied, what he replied? The man replied to Ray, writing on the notepad in his way. Okay, what was the way of communication of Mr. Ray to them? By writing on the notepad, and they replied also in the same manner. And the man replied to Ray, writing on the pad, that he should pay whatever was the worth of the particular watch. Whatever it worth means whatever its price. जो भी वो उसको देगा उसका, the particular man would be satisfied. Ray reached into his cash box, pulled out a $50 note and passed it into the man's hand. As they shook hands, Ray looked into the man's eyes. They seemed to say thank you. They both knew the watch was not worth that much. Before turning to leave, the man wrote, "I will be back to pick it up as soon as I can. Merry Christmas." Means now Ray went to his cash box and took out a $50 note. He handed it to the man. It made him happy. It made the particular man, the old man, between both of them, the two persons, the older man, particular man was happy with that. The man expressed his gratitude by saying thank you. Both of them knew that the watch was not of that high price of $50. Both of them know that. Before leaving, the man said he would come back to take his watch as soon as possible and wished Merry Christmas. And he wished Merry Christmas to Mr. Ray, and they leave the shop.